Hongyang Forging Company is a professional manufacturer of axle spindle forgings and heavy-duty forged components. We specialize in truck axle spindles, trailer axle forgings, mining truck axle components, construction machinery forgings, agricultural vehicle axles, and commercial bus axles. Our advanced hot forging, precision extrusion, and heat treatment technologies ensure high strength, excellent durability, and superior near-net shape forging performance. New intelligent forging and hot extrusion production lines will begin operation in October 2026, enabling larger capacity production for heavy trucks, semi-trailers, low-bed trailers, off-road vehicles, and mining equipment. We welcome customers worldwide to visit our factory and discuss future cooperation opportunities. www.highforging.com. Axle spindle forging, trailer axle, truck axle, mining truck, construction machinery, hot forging, heavy truck, semi-trailer, forged components.